Get the trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Oh, he's already wrecked the stirrup things on his shoes.
Here comes Dylan.
Yeah, ring the doorbell. Go on.
What is it?
Or
Right
go
there.
knock Cooper.
Upstairs?
Yeah, right to the left of the...
With the light.
Left?
Mommy, he doesn't.
Here they come, Cooper.
What is it?
Okay, so you knock on the door. Knock on the door. Say Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Watch
Yeah,
out, Cooper.
look out, Dylan.
Come on, Dylan.
Hi.
Now she realizes that you get candy when you do.
Halloween. Here
Cooper,
you
say
go.
trick or treat.
Thank you.
Say thank you.
That's Cooper. I got her. Here you go, Cooper.
Say
Thank
trick
you.
or treat.
Here, sweetheart.
Thank you.
Grandma
Very
rolled it.
good. Good girl. All right, Mama will hold
Does
this one.
she put the candy in there?
Yeah, they're right there. See?